All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello friends, I am Anvesha Datta. I welcome you all to the world of spirituality. Today, I am going to tell you about chakras. Lots of you may have heard about chakra and the role they play in the flow of energy in our body. You may have also learned that it is important to keep our chakras open or unblocked. But what exactly are chakras? And how do they affect our physical and emotional well being? Here, I am also trying to explain the impact these energy centers may have on our mind and body, plus, how to keep them open in order to promote physical, mental, and emotional well being. What are chakras? In Sanskrit, the word chakra means disc or wheel and refers to the energy centers in our body. These wheels or discs of spinning energy each correspond to certain nerve bundles and major organs. To function at their best, our chakras need to stay open or balanced. If they get blocked, you may experience physical or emotional symptoms related to a particular chakra. There are 7 main chakras that run along our spine. They start at the root or base of our spine and extend to the crown of our head. Some people believe we have at least 114 different chakras in our body. The chakras most often refer to the 7 main ones that I am going to explain in more detail. What are the 7 main chakras? The chakra system refers to the energy centers we have in our bodies. There are 7 major chakras, each in a specific location along our spine. They are root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, crown chakra. Let's look at each one more closely. The first chakra is root chakra. The root chakra or Muladhara is located at the base of our spine. It provides us a base or foundation for life, and it helps us feel grounded and able to withstand challenges. Our root chakra is responsible for our sense of security and stability. The second chakra is sacral chakra. The sacral chakra or Swadhisthana chakra is located just below our belly button. This chakra is responsible for our sexual and creative energy. It's also linked to how you relate to your emotions as well as the emotions of others. The third chakra is solar plexus chakra. The solar plexus chakra or Manipura is located in our stomach area. It is responsible for confidence and self-esteem as well as helping you feel in control of your life. The fourth chakra is heart chakra. The heart chakra or Anahata chakra is located near our heart in the center of our chest. It comes as no surprise that the heart chakra is all about our ability to love and show compassion. The fifth chakra is throat chakra. The throat chakra or Vishuddha is located in our throat. This chakra has to do with our ability to communicate verbally. The sixth chakra is third eye chakra. The third eye chakra or Ajna is located between your eyes. You can thank this chakra for a strong gut instinct. That's because the third eye is responsible for intuition. It is also linked to imagination. The seventh chakra is crown chakra. The crown chakra or Sahasrara is located at the top of your head. Your Sahasrara represents your spiritual connection to yourself, others, and the universe. It also plays a role in your life's purpose. I hope you all get knowledge about chakras. In my next videos, you will get to know more about it. Thank you all for joining me. This is all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy. Be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.